Good day. This is Regina's Rabbit Hole, and I'm at the park. It's late, I'm tired, but I really wanted to feed the ducks, and I missed it the last couple of days, so I came out anyway. Let's see if they eat some, of the bird food I bought them. Oops. Let's see. Here we go. Good day. Let's see, I don't know how much. Okay, there we go. I don't know if they're gonna come. This is really, really weird. There's like all these crackers and stuff all over the place, but they're not touching that. But they did seem to like the soft bread. Go figure. I'll show you. Really cute. I brought a whole big bag of bread, and there's all these. There we go. Show you what I'm talking about. They're not touching any of this. I never seen nothing like this before. What's up with that? Here we go with the bull again. I think it was just a bad day to come.
Wait. Nani, where's your cupcake? Nani, wait. Go now. Get them. You said you were going to do it. You want? No, leave them alone.
That's really...
Why would you like to do that?
I could tell that something was wrong with her when you approached. This is the kind of behavior that is leaving this. That's why they won't eat. That's why they're not eating. So I came to feed them the soft one that they were eating. But I could tell when they approached and the car screeched up and then this group got out that something was up. So I'm going to go over here and sit down and see what's what. I'm going to tell the parents right now, if any of your children misbehave and come over here, I'm just going to blame it on you. I'm not going to blame it on me protecting my own doggone self. Because that little one right there got some serious issues. And somebody need to tell her something. It shouldn't have went on this long. Running around like that, it's just fashionable. I would have shook my freaking daughter. No, I'm not filming them at the moment, but she is steady talking. like she is a whole army of people, dragging her friends into a situation she has no idea who I am at all. Throwing the food they don't want into the water. So as a parent, right, as a citizen, if I just say, please don't do that, then I would be in the wrong. Yes, please call your mother. Please. Wow.
Huh?
I said wow. Because I am not the one. Say something else. I said wow. Children. Okay. That was a very strange moment. Let's see if mom shows up and see what kind of mom this one has. See if she does show up over here. Since they beat me, ran over here past me. Wow, did you hear that? Is her mother over there? I should just stop this and really actually go over there and speak to her mother. But why bother? Look at me. If she's calling for her mother, let me just mind my business. But if her mother shows up, I am really not in the mood to be anybody's, to go through any more than what I'm going through right now, actually. See how smart mom is. Aw, that's sad. Wow. Poor babies. And I think something is wrong with that food, because they're just not eating it. Something is very wrong. Hey, sweet peas. Hey, love. Hi, Rashad. How are you? Much love to you. Hey, sweetie. Yeah. So you are hungry just a little bit, right? You want company? Hey, sweetie pie. Hey, Ace. Aw. Hey, love. So, don't birds have good noses and sense of character, like they will run? And these birds are really good because they're used to being fed, but you see piles of food, and I felt like I had to come. It was so weird. Oops. Wow, you caught that from out there. Oh. What's up, you guys, huh? If I get better at this, get a little more Dr. Doodle-ish, so you can tell me stories, huh? Stories you could tell me. These humans, us humans be tripping, huh? Yeah, sweetie. There you go. Full? See, I ain't getting too close to you. I fell for that last time and the chick went crazy. There you go. I'll be back. I got more. I have more. Oh, I got more. Ooh, no. See? This is Mama Bird. I will not hurt you. Look at this. Yeah, they're responding a lot different than they used to. I'm gonna pick all my mess up with me. All the leftover pieces of bread. This is a moldy one. Sure don't think that's tasty, huh? And then wow, I feel like I'm in some weird, scary movie. This is really effed up. So I need to come and clean that up. Something's wrong with those. It's just odd. You see the big giant piece of bread that one of them ran off with and they're chasing it. They're chasing. You so greedy. Give them some of that. Wow. Are you gonna share now? Just running right past them. Wow, the behavior. Wow. You can't even eat that whole thing fast enough before they swarm you, dude. What in the world? Don't worry, I got you. What? I got you. They don't like this Italian white one very much. Oh, yeah, they're eating it. They really like the potato bread, though. Oh, here you go, sweetie. Oh, it fell, huh? Aw. Wow, you're a little greedy, huh? Good day, Joseph. Good day, Terry. Much love to you and yours. They're back, and they're across the field now. I think she has her mother with her or something. Directly across from me now. So, oh no, that's not. I think that's a different group. Oh, the little girl, I'm not sure. There you go, sweetie pie. Somebody looking for trouble? Hmm? There we go. There you go. Hi. Let me see if I can do this. I'm gonna open up some more bread bags here. I need 2 hands. Ooh, nice and moldy. You guys like that, huh? There we go. Okay. There you go, sweetie. Yep. Let's see what's up. What mommy got. She coming back over here. Please don't chase them like you did last time. Please don't chase them like you did last time. Thank you. You scared them last time. They're scared of you. Be gentle. They're not having it. They are not having it. They're like, fuck that. Excuse my language. Wow. It's like, that's all good, lady, what you said, but we feel the vibe and we know that shit is not happening. That's the same group of girls. This time they brought littler ones with them. Gone. This is the kind of crap that you have to put up with. Well, this is Regina's rabbit hole. My vibe is totally gone. Doesn't make any point in being here now. This is the second time that she approached me while I was over here with the bull. Trying to mind my business right in the section. This is a very big pond. You could be on the other side, but you have to come right over here with the birds that live here in a very bad way, as well as make noise around people that are trying to enjoy the solace. It's really messed up. This is a metaphor for life, though. You just have to deal with your environment and learn who to trust. Get your ducks all lined up in a row. I wonder how many times a day they have to adjust. Well, mysteries, mysteries, mysteries. Piles of food that they're not eating. Running away from people that are just people. Aren't people just people? Or are there actually people that are more disturbed than others? They're gone. Yay. We was about to wrap it up. Yeah, they left. It's just us again. My little feathered friends. My little beauty. Come here, my sweetie pie. Yeah. I know, right? Trying to mess with the party, but the party ain't stopping. There you go, sweet pea. He's checking out. Are they gone? Are they really gone? Yes, they're gone. See? They're all the way over there now. It's okay to come out. Got plenty of food, huh? Would you like me to stay and eat with you? Well, I'm not eating anything. I'm eating. I'm eating knowledge, right? You're just checking me out. Hey. Hi, sweetie. Aw. Oh, you're so pretty. I like your blue stripe and your orangey beak. Wow. You the man or the girl. So pretty. Would you like some more food? Do you want me to give? I have a piece of potato bread just for you. Get it. Get it. Yay. You keep that potato bread for yourself. Oh, you're sharing it? Yeah, I like you. There you go. Aw. Now y'all just getting dominant for no reason. There's plenty of bread. Why are you chasing that one away? Giving you a hard time? There you go. Oh, you ain't fast at all, are you? Poor baby. Do you see the radius of that group? They didn't run, but they waited until they got all the way over there before they started to come back. And I felt that freaking mess. I felt it. When they started to approach, I was like, oh shoot. Something wasn't right over here to begin with. Something's not right. Those freaking crackers, you know. They're smart enough not to eat it though. Their nose, their beak says, not happening. There you go, sweet pea. You guys got some kind of hierarchy coming on for the higher ground? Yeah, you do, huh? Y'all can't even get up this joint. They're like, stay down there. Wow. And you the general, huh? I thought you was my friend. I thought you was my buddy. You are territorial. I see. I see you. I got you. So I gotta distract you and then shoot the other one some, huh? There you go. Like, boom. There you go. What? What? That's how it go. That's how it go. Down the bank. I see you. I see you, sweetie. There you go. Alrighty. Up the bank. They didn't even want it. They're just territorial. There you go. What's going to happen when you guys get big? Hmm? And where are the big ones? Where are your parents at? You guys are usually a lot bigger. Where are the really big ones? They ain't come home yet? And this one is very moldy. Very, very moldy. Wow, you just like ran. That's the runner. There he goes. It's a game. It's a game. He plays that. Just did that on the other side. It's probably you. It's probably you, dude. There you go. Oops. Sorry about that. There you go. Alright. It's getting down to the nitty gritty. We're at the final call, baby. Yep. Yep. Last call. It's happy hour. Or happy minute. It's been happy hour. We're all done. Want those? I will take my garbage with me, my loves. Bye, sweetie pie. That is so cool to know that they're not bothered by me. ain't sweet pea. They obviously know not to eat this. And that's some weird stuff.